Are you gonna hang out at the party tonight? Next up, the KitchenAid. Tara needs to employ this to make the dessert for our guests. Of special note are the Japanese knives Tara will be using to prep tonight's dinner, only reserved for special occasions. Tara slices and dices the chocolate for tonight's dessert extraordinaire. Three hours until the guests arrive. Tara, how are you feeling?
Terrible.
Terrible? Tell us why.
3 hours sounds like a lot of time. However, it's not. I had wanted to make the pie this morning when I woke up, but instead we had an awesome good time with friends last night out of our house, and I'm behind schedule. This is the custard for the dessert. Cook it too fast and you end up with scrambled eggs.
Cook it too slow and what happens?
Never get ready for the party. Like that fast, it changed from a liquid to this.
The quickening, there can be only one.
See, it's like pudding, it's custard.
Highlander custard.
And then you add the hot custard to the, half of it goes to the chocolate and half of it goes to the peanut butter. Can't like not wash it for a second. This talks about straightening it through a sieve. Don't do that.
Sieve or a sieve?
Well, you're the English major. I'm just a pharmacist.
Hammock.
People are more scientific about this. It's supposed to be totally even. From the custard should melt the chocolate. We're using the heat from the custard mixture to melt the chocolate. So this is your chocolate custard on the bottom of the peanut butter pie. I'm just whisking that together to melt all the chocolate pieces. And then the next, we'll do the same process with the peanut butter. Now you're just doing the peanut butter, same process. Except the peanut butter doesn't have to melt, it just has to be mixed in with the custard. Although the heat from the custard does help to make that process easier. we are gonna add whipped cream to something too. We're gonna add whipped cream, half of that whipped cream to the peanut butter, so it'll be like chocolate, peanut butter, whipped cream in our little pie container here. I guess the custard just makes it like, you can see it's kind of fluffier and it'll have a better mouthfeel. Well, because if you ate just like straight peanut butter, it'd be like...
Sounds pretty good to me.
So I cheated, like you're supposed to make your own dough for the pie. I totally cheated and went with a graham cracker crust because it's easy. And we're supposed to be casual. So it's just as good. Graham cracker crust is good. And this is the easy no bake recipe. Folding the whipped cream into the peanut butter mixture.
'Dogs get ready for guests they don't even know are coming. Hey, where's Sissy? Here comes Katie. So you guys can hang out at the party tonight? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, puppy. Katie, what are you doing? I'm covered in puppy. Hi, buddy. What? 2 hours remain. How are we feeling?
The dogs are ready.
With 2 hours to go till the party's gonna start, how are you feeling?
I can't have my chili paste.
Good or bad?
Pretty important to a chili Thai recipe.
Part of the challenge today is for Tara to employ all 3 of the devices she received for Christmas gifts from generous family members. First up, the Instapot.
Sun butter. This garlic puree. Ginger here. Fresh ginger. Onions. Excuse me, babe. This is for, I'm just getting the ingredients ready for the curry. But right now I'm actually working on the rice and the asparagus. But I just wanted to get this stuff out to make sure I also have everything in case we need a last minute run. Soy, rice. I need you to get rice vinegar and limes.
Vinegar made out of rice and limes. Did I get it right?
I don't know. Seasoned rice vinegar? Sure, yeah. Looks good.
What is this?
That's gonna have asparagus and cheese. It's gonna have the asparagus tart.
Alrighty.
I'm gonna do 4 cups because we have 8 people. It's probably too much, but I'd rather have too much than enough. So you do this, see how cloudy the water is? That's because the rice is starchy and dirty. So you have to rinse it off. And it's good the rice is not floating because everybody's freaking me out now that you have to check your rice to make sure it's not plastic. Because apparently some companies are selling half plastic, half rice. So it's like Royce and you are fulfilling your dream of like recycling by eating plastic. They're actually doing it.
To save the world.
Yeah. But basically I'll do this until it's clear and then fill up to the watermark where it says white rice and put it in the rice cooker and push the button and it's done. It'll play twinkle twinkle little star and cook the rice to perfection. So that's it.
Tara's second challenge is involving the rice cooker, another one of her fancy gifts for Christmas.
Alright, that's it. It's all set. And if you want to be fancy, kind of go up and down, or maybe go up and down like this, and then back around. Because nobody just wants the bottom parts, right? You want the pretty head part too.
What's the special thing we have to note about asparagus?
Oh, what your dad likes to tell us every time we eat it?
How good it is?
Yeah, it's delicious and tasty. Good for you. Lots of vitamins. And nothing else. I am finishing up I'm starting the curry. It's, I've never made it before. Always good to test on friends, I suppose. It's a red curry with pineapple, so it's like hot and sweet.
Tonight, the doggies dine on dog food mixed with some asparagus leftovers, carrots, and broccoli. Was it good? Hello? Was it good? Hey, buddy. Was it good? You gotta add some water or else it'll be like crazy too thick.
and see how that consistency looks. Well, it's still up to you. We've got the pineapple to cut, the appetizer to prepare, and the bread to slice, the salad to make, but hopefully we're gonna make it. Where is here?
And I got a new audio recorder, so I practicing syncing audio to video. So okay, yeah. Neat. And I'm gonna like do cheesy voiceovers for you being like, their guests arrive and they're tasting their food now, and then I'm gonna want you to do some bad reaction shots where you're like. The curry needs work. Yeah. Tara literally.
I do like it. Okay. I would recommend it. I would say it's like, in terms of price point, slow cooker.
I actually have turkey chili in the crock pot right now.
Yeah. Cooker plus other things, so then it's like bonus.
So do you eat?
I had 3 hours to drive. Hey, look, I got to go see Dr. Anthony for free. I ain't paid for nothing.
I know, you went to sleep at 3:30, you got up at 10 a.m. I don't want to hear shit.
I got up at 8. What are you talking about? What's 10:30? I got up at 4 a.m.
I'm sorry. Well-rounded. I enjoyed the flavors. There was some spice, but then there was the peanut butter pie, and
I'll do the dishes, baby doll.
No, I need to do my equipment and then you can do the dishes, that's fine. Do you want me to just put the lid on this or put it in a container?
Sure, put the lid on it, I don't care. Hey, buddy!
I think the party went well. There were some hiccups with the menu. The really fancy appetizer that I spent a whole bunch of time on looked really ugly. So that something to think about. We eat with our eyes for next time. I was super worried about the seating, but it worked out. Everyone had a place to sit, almost. We were one chair down, but we worked it out. We snuggled on the couch. We got 3 on the couch. Everything got done on time. Like, well, people didn't show up at exactly 6 on the dot, so like by 6:10, we were good to go. All the dishes got completed. So overall, I think it was good.